मुझे बता रही थी कि you also went through your low moments, right?
Yeah, see, as an actor, no, I feel you don't have stability in life. This is what I understand. Today, आप इतना आपको फेम मिलता है, आप इतने पैसे कमा लेते हो, then cut to 3 साल तक आप काम नहीं करते, या 4 साल तक you don't have anything, तो वो फेम भी आपका कम हो जाता है. Everything goes for a toss. जब आप अपने हाई में रहते हो, सब आपके सराउंडिंग्स जो आपकी रहते हैं, जैसे oh hi, she's my friend, oh hi, this is that. But then when you are at your lows, nobody is there for you. Nobody is there for you. So I had that time when 2012 I came out of Miss India and I did a very big star show. And after that I went to South. So I've had my this. But in the pandemic, I had an incident where I had a dog bite and uh, I was mentally not, what to say, I was depressed. Like, my face is spoiled or something like that. So फिर मुझे ऐसा था कि मैं 9 महीने 9 months 2020 9 months I was like really smile, as you said, my smile is nice and the dog bit me on my cupid bow and I was like यार smile नहीं है ऐसा नहीं. At that moment मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार इंडस्ट्री का तो कोई बंदा आपके पास था ही नहीं, तो इनको आप दोस्त तो बोल नहीं सकते. सो फॉर मी आई एम लाइक नहीं ठीक है, आप अपनी दोस्ती यारी अपने अलग लेवल पे रखो, ये फ्रेंड्स है, इंडस्ट्री के ही फ्रेंड्स हैं, इंडस्ट्री तक ही रखो, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में इंटरफेयर मत करो. सो आई थिंक 2020 changed me as a person.
Whatever it is, you did a plastic surgery,
I
right?
did. I did a skin grafting surgery, and touch wood, I've been healed well, and I think I've accepted myself like this.
And you're looking gorgeous. And I really mean that. दिल से बोल. And I
Thank
mean
you.
that from the bottom of my
Thank you
heart.
so much.
I really mean it. ये राहुल के फैंस, राहुल वैद्या के फैंस तुम्हारे बीच में क्या हुआ? मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था, पर मुझे किसी ने अभी बताया कि यार ये कुछ हुआ. वो क्या था?
मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, फैंस कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट, they attached, आपसे एक अलग ही अटैचमेंट हो जाता है, हो जाए प्यार भी हो जाए, पर आप किसी थर्ड पर्सन को टारगेट मत करो. सो आई थिंक समथिंग हैपेंड ऑन ट्विटर नाउ. सिट एंड गाइज, यू हैव टू टेल मी ऑन दिस. समथिंग हैपेंड एंड राहुल इज अ वेरी was a friend, not anymore. Rahul was a very dear friend and उसकी शादी का वो फेज था, हमारा फर्स्ट एपिसोड टेलीकास्ट हुआ था and I aced one of the stunt and a lot of people were like, oh my god, this girl can do it. A lot of people from the crew, from the contestant, that okay, she is a tough thing to, she's a tough nut to crack. Like, I did very well. I actually broke the history of Khatro Ke Khiladi in that particular stunt where a lot of people have aborted. So, everybody was like this. So, one of, so this Twitter war keeps happening. As I said, I've always been low key. मुझे कभी ये लाइमलाइट मिली नहीं है, मुझे कभी ये मेरे साथ कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. मेरे कमेंट्स मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आई अपलोड swimwear pictures and all. I've never received a negative comment. I've never received a vulgar comment. All of a sudden मेरे वॉल पे किसी ने कुछ कमेंट कर दिया about Rahul and an XYZ party. इनका ट्विटर वॉर, इनकी आरकेवी एंड सम XYZ पार्टी आर फाइटिंग और बीच में मैं थी. तो ऑल आई डिड वाज, मेरे वॉल पे आता है, सी आई डोंट सी, खट 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 खट, आई डू हार्ट 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 टू एवरीबॉडी, टू कीप माय फैंस हैप्पी और टू कीप पीपल हैप्पी अराउंड मी. At least she's reading and she's liking our post. But I didn't know that it will go on to another level. My liking and my re-quoting that tweet was that ha ha ha, well, they didn't thought this girl can do it. Well, she did it. So it wasn't a direct thing to Rahul or it wasn't a direct thing to anyone. It was they didn't thought this girl can do it. And this is how it began. The RKB fans started abusing me. Oh God, what not, blah blah blah. And Rahul was very sweet. I think उसको attention मिला कहीं से कि he got into attention that something is happening on Twitter. He messaged me, darling, is there something like this? And I was like, Rahul, just leave it. I said, I'll leave it. If RKB and some fans are like literally fighting, हम बीच में पिस गए, छोड़ना मत, इस पे ध्यान दे. And all of a sudden, after 15 days, he gets on to another this and he unfollows me from Instagram. And I'm like, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Like, you spoiled our friendship. He's like, no, this I did not like. You liked and you re-quoted that tweet. I said, it wasn't a direct thing on you. I don't know why you're getting so affected. So for me, I was like, if this is where our friendship is, then I do not want this. So I said, okay, boss, thank you so much for telling me. Aaj se I don't know you. And I ended my conversation. I drew a line and I was like, okay, I'll treat you like how I treat others now. मैं तुझे दोस्त मानती थी, अब मुझे पता है तो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. If this little petty things can bother you, this is a very petty thing. Like, I don't know, I felt it's very kiddish and I felt it's very this, and I did not like it and I did not accept it.
उसके बाद राहुल और आप फेस टू फेस मिली?
Yeah, yeah.
How was it? Were you talking?
Not really. No, no. I think I can never, because see, I don't want to put him in that spot or put me in this spot, but it's just that I did not appreciate what he did. It wasn't a right move. I don't know what he had in his head. Of course, he might have thought something about it, or he did not like. ठीक है, तुम्हें नहीं अच्छा लगा, but ये तुम्हारा point of view है, but इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं था.
Don't you feel कि कभी कभार maybe you could have picked up the phone and said, आमने सामने बैठो and let's discuss?
I did, no? I did message him सामने से telling. I asked him, I said, can you tell me what went wrong? I should also know tomorrow कि मैंने क्या किया. And I am somebody who would want to know. You कल को then you should know why am I giving you that hatred. So I am someone who can easily look through people. So and that's what I'm doing with him. He gave me this reason that, oh, you liked and you did this thing. You liked and you re-quoted that. He's upset about that. कि तुमने उसको like किया और तुमने उसको re-quote किया. But Rahul, it was just an answer to the third party or to your party that, bro, everybody over there was like this. It's just not you.
Okay, what comes to your mind
Okay.
when I take these names? Arjun Bijlani.
My darling.
Such a nice guy, na?
He's amazing. I've known him since 2012. He was hosting for us in Miss India, and since then he's become my friend. And what I like about him is, irrespective, said today he's a star of television, but anyone, I felt like few years ago I was a nobody. Like, nobody knew me so much, no fan following, nothing like that as such. That boy was still my very dear friend. वो मुझसे आज भी वैसे ही बात करता है जैसे वो मुझसे 4 साल पहले बात करता. Nothing changed. So I think I love him for that.
Oh, Arjun, I love you too, brother. Okay, Shweta Tiwari.
Mama.
विशाल की भी मम्मा है, सबकी मम्मा है. जगत मम्मा है.
जगत मम्मा है, क्योंकि वो वैसा वाइब देती भी है. She's such a strong lady. Trust me. तो मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट बोलना चाहूँ. मैंने कभी किसी को नहीं बोला.
How sweet.
हमारी ना 13 कंटेस्टेंट की लिस्ट हमें आ गई थी, मतलब हमारी जाने से पहले. बट श्वेता वाज वन कंटेस्टेंट वी वर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट, क्योंकि एंड मोमेंट पे किसी कंटेस्टेंट ने बैकआउट कर लिया था. श्वेता वाज देयर. तो आई रीच्ड एयरपोर्ट तो तब तक पैपराजी ने बहुत सारे फोटोज लगा दिए थे. तो मैं देख रही थी ये एंड आई सॉ श्वेता तिवारी. आई वाज लाइक, दिस वन इज अ वॉच, दिस कैन बी टफ. Okay. And then I know her. मैं उन्हें जानती हूँ, but मैं उन्हें अब जैसे मैं उन्हें जानती हूँ, मैं उन्हें पहले वैसे नहीं जानती थी. तो मैंने बोला, ये भी आ रही है, बाप रे. एक मेरी फट गई थी तब. ये भी आ रही है, ये तो बड़ी स्ट्रांग है. So in that way, आप इंसान के बारे में एक माइंडसेट बना लेते हो. तो मेरा माइंडसेट था कि बाप रे. And then when I saw her, I was very happy to see her. I said, wow, how are you, Shweta Di, and all that. And then again, knowing her personally in this schedule was something else. So I think she's very caring, she's very strong, she's a very, very strong woman. And trust me, she was going through a phase of her life at that time. And women are so multitasker, like अपने बच्चे से बात करना, अपना स्टंट देखना, अपना ये देखना, अपना वो देखना. So much she was doing, so much was on her plate, and उसको इतने अच्छे से हैंडल करना and doing a show like खतरों के खिलाड़ी उस फेज में was commendable.
Astha Gill.
Darling. Like, she's a darling. She's a friend for life.
वो भी जगत डार्लिंग हो चुकी है सबकी.
Actually, she's a friend for life. Trust me, she's such a warm and a positive person. हमने पूरी फेज में ऑफ खतरों के खिलाड़ी की जो जर्नी थी, हमने पूरी टाइम उसी के रूम में हमने पार्टी की है. So she has amazing heart. She's beautiful.
Varun Sood.
He's my best friend.
Oh, I like him too. I've never met him though, but I've been told a lot of good things about him. But innocent
He's a very good listener, by the way. He's a very good listener. He listens to all your craps and everything, and he's somebody who's a man with few words, I could say. Like, you know, वो समझ जाता है, आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. तो you know that there are times where you're really heartbroken and anything, and you want that one person to be around you and hold your hand and say. So he gives me that vibe. So yeah.
You met Divya Agarwal also?
Yes, I just so many times. I think जब OTT में वो जा रही थी, उसके पहले मैंने वरुण को बोला, यार मुझे तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलना है, मिला. तो वो तब चली गई थी, and then finally when she came back, I said, where is the party? I need the party. She's winning it. So I met her recently, yes, and she's also amazing.
And she's a firebrand, boss. Anushka Sen.
चुटकी.
बच्ची है ना, बहुत प्यारी है यार.
बच्ची है.
Even I have very big brother feelings towards her. यार.
You know, she's so petite, she's so tiny. Like literally, मैं उसके साथ एक stunt कर रही थी. जैसे I never treated her like a contestant. So मैं जब भी उससे बात भी करती तो मेरी भी छोटी बहन है, same age, you know. तो मैं उसको literally अपनी छोटी बहन के जैसे रखती थी. Like मैं, like the way I am with my younger sister, the moment we were doing that stunt, and I'm explaining, like, come. And the moment I lost it, I'm like, hey, you please come. And then she's like, Sanadi, don't yell. And I'm like, because my sister would not reply me back like that. And I'm like, okay, Sana, she's not your sister. Calm down. Go with your stunt. Just do it. And I think, yeah, she's a baby.
Big hug to you, Anushka, for being the baby sister to all of us, and we are very proud of you, okay? Nikki Tamboli.
Drama. She's a big drama girl and a funny girl. Trust me, उसका humor is amazing. पागल है वो. पागल. वो कभी भी कुछ भी बोल देती है ना. When she's there, हम हंसते ही रहते हैं. Like I trip on her.
I just want to say something. Sana, I really enjoyed chatting with you.
Thank you. Thank
Keep
you
the
so
balance going, darling.
much. Thank you so much for your kind
Sana Maqbool. See you